When you wake up early in the morning and hear a sweet, cheerful song welcoming the sunrise, chances are it's the American robin. This beautiful bird, with its orange-red chest and musical voice, is one of the most familiar and beloved birds across North America. But do you really know the secrets behind this early riser? Today, we're diving deep into the life, habits, and amazing facts about the American robin, the bird that symbolizes spring, hope, and new beginnings. The American robin, Turdus migratorius, belongs to the thrush family. It's not actually related to the European robin, even though they look a bit alike. Scientists say the American robin got its name from early settlers who were reminded of the European robin's red chest. It's about 25 centimeters long with a bright orange belly, grayish-brown back, and white A-ring that makes it look curious and alert. The males are more vividly colored than the females, and during spring, their plumage becomes even brighter, in nature's way of dressing up for the season of love. The American robin is one of the most widespread songbirds in North America, found from Alaska to Mexico, and even in parts of the Caribbean. They adapt to almost any habitat: forests, parks, lawns, farmlands, even city gardens. In winter, northern robins migrate south, but many stay year-round in warmer areas. Fun fact: a single robin can fly up to 1,000 miles during migration. If you've seen a robin hopping on your lawn, head tilted to the side, it's not posing for a photo. It's actually listening for the sound of worms moving under the soil. Robins have an amazing sense of hearing that helps them locate food underground. Their diet includes earthworms, insects, and fruits. In summer, they eat mostly worms and bugs, but in winter, they switch to berries and fruits, especially red ones. Another fun fact: a hungry robin can eat up to 14 feet of earthworms in a single day. When spring arrives, robins get busy, very busy. The female builds a cup-shaped nest using grass, twigs, and mud. She lays 3 to 5 light blue eggs, which have become famous as robin's egg blue, even used as a color name in design and fashion. Both parents take care of the babies. The chicks hatch in about 2 weeks, blind and helpless. But within just 2 more weeks, they're ready to leave the nest and start learning to fly. Robins are super parents, often raising 2 or even 3 broods in a single season. Their song, a series of cheerful, cheerily, cheer up notes, is one of the first sounds of dawn. Each male has his own unique song pattern to mark territory and attract a mate. Interestingly, robins can recognize their neighbors by song, almost like how humans recognize friends by voice. At night, they sing softer tunes from treetops under the moonlight, a peaceful melody before bedtime. Robins are known for their cleanliness. They love taking baths, sometimes multiple times a day. They're also very territorial. A male will fiercely chase away rivals from his area. And here's a cool one. Robins can remember hundreds of feeding spots and return to the same yard year after year. Some have even been seen getting slightly tipsy from fermented berries, nature's funny side. The American robin is more than just a common bird. It's a symbol of renewal, music, and resilience. Its cheerful song reminds us every morning that no matter how long the night, a new day will always come. So next time you hear that sweet melody at dawn, take a moment, smile, and say hello to your feathered friend, the American robin. As well as don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more Wild Wings wonders.